If you're looking to hedge against inflation in retirement, you've likely heard that gold and silver are two of the best assets to invest in. But how do you actually invest in these precious metals, especially if you're nearing or already in retirement? Let's break it down step by step. Inflation is one of the biggest threats to retirees, especially when you rely on fixed income sources like Social Security or a pension. With inflation steadily rising, your purchasing power decreases over time. So, it makes sense to protect your wealth by investing in assets that hold or increase in value when inflation rises. That's where gold and silver come in. These metals have a long history of maintaining value, even during economic turmoil. The great thing about investing in gold and silver is that they've been reliable stores of value for thousands of years. But the question is, how do you invest in them? And more importantly, how do you make sure you're set up for long-term success? First, let's talk about direct ownership. You can buy physical gold or silver in the form of coins, bars, or bullion. Many retirees like this route because it offers tangible ownership. You know exactly what you own, and it's not reliant on a third-party entity. But here's the catch. Physical gold and silver come with storage and security concerns. You'll need a safe or a secure vault, which could incur extra costs. And while these metals are great for hedging inflation, they don't provide any cash flow or dividends. That's why gold IRAs are becoming increasingly popular among retirees. Gold IRAs allow you to hold gold and silver in a tax-advantaged account. This makes it an efficient way to diversify your retirement savings while still protecting your wealth. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, click the first link in the description to learn why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs today. Now, let's quickly compare gold and silver to other inflation hedging options like real estate and bonds. Real estate can be a good option, but it requires a significant upfront investment and comes with ongoing management costs, especially as you get older and may not want to manage properties. Bonds, on the other hand, are low risk, but often provide low returns, especially in times of high inflation. With gold IRAs, you can have the peace of mind that your assets are growing without the headache of managing properties or dealing with low yields. If you're looking to safeguard your wealth in the next couple of weeks, consider adding gold and silver to your retirement portfolio, especially through a gold IRA. It's a strategy that's been used by retirees for decades to protect their wealth, and it's a strategy you can start using today. Now, I know some of you might be wondering, what's the best way to get started? The good news is that it's easier than you think. You don't have to be an expert to set up a gold IRA. Simply find a reputable custodian that specializes in gold IRAs, open the account, and roll over a portion of your IRA or 401k into gold and silver. These custodians will handle all the paperwork for you, making the process seamless and stress-free. If you're in the situation where you have 100k or more in your IRA, 401k, or even $5 million in savings, this is an ideal solution for you. Don't let inflation erode your wealth. Protect it today by opening a gold IRA and make sure your retirement savings are working for you, not against you. If you want more in-depth guidance on how to protect your wealth with gold and silver, click the first link in the description below to get a free gold IRA guide that's tailored to retirees like you. This guide has been trusted by thousands of Americans, and it will give you all the tools you need to start protecting your wealth right now. Remember, investing in gold and silver is a time-tested strategy to hedge against inflation. Whether you're just starting to think about your retirement or you're already there, the sooner you take action, the more secure your financial future will be. Don't wait. Get your free guide now and start building a more secure retirement with gold and silver.